This video was sponsored by Enhance, NeoWatt, A Better Road Planner, Elbilmek, Kempower and Bilkomponenter.
Yo, what's up? Today we're going to do a banana box test of this Mazda 6e. It's a quite large sedan, almost 5 meters long, but maybe it's not that tall, you know, so we need to find out how many banana boxes we can fit in here. Before we start, let's check out the frunk first. And behold, it actually has a decent sized frunk. We have this cover, whatever we can take out, and then it can be, oh, we can fit a banana box there. Wonderful. One box in the front. Wow, look at that sexy, but wait, I need to unlock it. It has adaptive spoiler. You know, rule number 1, don't try to race an EV if it has an active spoiler. Wait, it went down already. It was just a welcome gesture. And the Mazda has it. Okay. So here we have a hatch opening, which should be good. Plenty of space for putting large item in here. But the trunk here, okay, it's fairly long and deep. That's nice. The subwoofer is here. But under the trunk here, we don't have that much space. Yeah, so I can't really count on this, can I? Can we take out the phone? Nah, not really. What the heck is that thing? Okay, anyway, I'm gonna leave it there. What is this? No, okay, no more space we can open up. It's just like this. Okay, round 1 in the trunk. Because it's a sedan, slope, whatever, we can only fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. Oh well, hopefully we can fit more if we fold the seats. Okay, as usual, we try to pack as many as possible in here. So despite that this is a quite long car, almost 5 meters, you cannot put the seat, you cannot put the banana box here horizontally. You have to put it vertically, so it means that the legroom might not be the best, unfortunately. But I managed to pack all the way to the roof here. We have this split panorama roof. There's another version that doesn't have this split one, so then maybe you can fit slightly more, but I'm not sure about that, but okay. Okay, so since we are in Norway, we have to count in Norwegian then. All right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
19, 20, plus the one in the front, 21 boxes. Okay, you cannot take that much. It's not supposed to be a big hauler, but at least I heard that the length here from the trunk in here, when you fold the seat, is almost 2 meters. So I guess it has some purpose, yeah. Maybe it should be efficient at least. That's what we're gonna find out in the following videos. So that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.